Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour and I'm really excited about this next few videos. We are taking the Viper to Road America in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. If you don't know where that is on the east side of Wisconsin, and I live here on the east side of Minnesota. So we're gonna be driving the Viper all the way across the state of Wisconsin today. Should be a lot of fun. We're gonna meet up with another couple guys. They will be driving the Julia Quadrifoglio. I believe I pronounced that correctly. So anyway, we'll see them here in a few minutes. We're gonna meet up with them, cruise out there, meet up with the other guys that are already there. Should be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a long weekend. I hope you guys enjoy these next few videos. So let's hit the road. First stop here, the quick trip here in Hudson, Wisconsin. Gonna meet up with the other guys here. If you park like this, don't do that. This whole parking lot's full. This guy's parked sideways across 2 spaces. Anyway, while we're waiting for the guys, I gotta show you how we packed up the Viper here. We got all our stuff in the back here, snacks, clothes bag, got a couple of coolers for the golf carts when we get there, got some water, Diet Coke, and then of course we got a whole set of tools down here because we are driving a Dodge 5 hours each direction after all. So anyway, you can fit quite a bit of stuff in here. You got this whole shelf here that I haven't utilized except for my hat there. And there is a spare tire down below there, so pretty good storage in the Vipers, believe it or not. So anyway, it's been running good so far. I've only been driving for 20 minutes though, so we'll wait for the guys here and we'll continue on our way. Here they are. Here's Corey and Dave in the Alpha. So new technology next to the old technology, both very beautiful cars. So we're just meeting up here at the classy Taco Bell, and yeah, we're just gonna roll together all the way to the track. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Pressure's good, we got gas, So we just finished filling up here in the middle of nowhere, Wisconsin. I truly have no clue where we are. So we just drove, I'll have to check the mileage, but stopped for gas. We were at about a quarter tank and put about 11.5 gallons in here. So I'll be interested to hop in the car here and calculate the fuel economy, because I feel like it was pretty decent. The guys over there loading up on beverages, and I'm sure glad I had the noise canceling headphones. I feel like my ears would have been bleeding by now. Ride quality is not great, but we're doing all right. Realistically, the thing I wish I had the most is cruise control. So my shin is burning pretty bad. So we're gonna hop back in the Viper. Let's calculate the fuel economy, and we're about an hour and a half away, so we're almost there. All right, so we went 239.2, and then we put in 11.58. Well, that's not right. 239.2 divided by 11.58. 20.6. Oh, well, apparently you can average about a little over 20 miles a gallon doing 75-80 for like 3 hours straight. That's amazing. So believe it or not, my Viper is the most fuel efficient vehicle that I own. Alright guys, well, we finally made it to the track. The Viper made it no issues. The Alpha made it no issues. The guys are here. Some of them are parked over there. Brian's got an SRT10 Ram quad cab.
Yeah, baby.
Yep. So 2 Viper engines in one area. That's always nice. We rented a few of the cabins here trackside. The track is literally right there. So we got some stands here. So we're probably 150 feet from the straight. So be a nice alarm clock when they start firing the cars up in the morning about 8 a.m. Take a look at this. So here's a high-speed turn right down the straights. See all the semi trucks over there? Those are the pits. So this is going to be an amazing weekend. So I hope you guys are excited for these videos. Should be a lot of fun. I'm going to try to capture what I can and still have some fun here while I'm at it. And let's take a quick look before we close out today's video. Let's take a quick look inside of one of these cabins. All right, so they got these new trackside cabins here. Obviously amazing location. I'm splitting it with a couple other guys here. So air conditioned, flip some lights on here. Really nice. I mean, not huge, of course. So we got a queen bed there, microwave, fridge, bathroom, shower, TV, and we got a couple of bunks over here. So really cool cabins. I'm excited to share the rest of this weekend with you guys. I've never been to anything like this before. It should be a lot of fun with all the guys. So let's head back on out here. So we rented a whole slew of golf carts, which we can pick up tomorrow morning. So probably some shenanigans on those. So we're gonna go grab some dinner. Should be a fun video series. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night. I'll talk to you next time.
Ready, set, go.